Bonjour everyone, I'm at Paris 66. Once again, I'm here with Fred. Fred also owns with his wife Gaby at Jules, and I believe they have another partner who's the chef there.
Yes.
So Fred, if I have this correct, this is where it all started.
Yes, it all started here in 2008.
And we're in the Shadyside neighborhood of Pittsburgh?
Yes.
Okay. This is kind of the first neighborhood I ever visited when I was first here 6 years ago. So it's my understanding that you have a regular menu during the latter part of the week and Saturday, and then you have Sunday brunch, which is what we're doing right now, correct?
This is correct, yes.
Okay. So Sunday brunch, and this is what you insisted that I try, or you suggest that I try it?
Yes, the filet is incredible with French fries. That's
Okay.
really French, Chateaubriand.
Okay, so we have the fries, and what do you call the sauce on the steak?
Sauce Chateaubriand.
Okay,
Very
Chateaubriand, very French. And how do you describe it? Is this like a wine sauce?
It's wine sauce. It's a recipe. It's a secret from my chef Patrick, and I will not be able to tell you what it is exactly.
Okay, I'm not going to ask, but you told me something else before we hit record that was interesting. You said all of these posters that we see around the restaurant, all the wall art and everything, you said you picked it yourself over in France.
Yes, right along the Seine on the left bank. I bought them all in 2007, and we framed them. We framed them and put them in the restaurant. Yeah.
Okay,
here's
perfect.
The
so it looks
Benedict.
like Fred's meal is coming.
Egg
so
Benedict.
what do you have?
I have the egg Benedict.
Okay, now this is probably a Sunday only thing, correct?
Correct.
Okay, all right. Are you able to hold it up to the camera?
Yes, look at this. Beautiful. With a little bit of salad. And I chose it with bacon, but it can also come with smoked salmon.
That's how I would get it.
Yeah.
Okay, one other thing. You have a Julia Child quote on the other side of the camera. Can you explain that real quick?
Yes, it's a joke, but it's nice. I mean, it's a real quote from her. It says, if you are afraid of butter, just use cream.
All right, well...
Because French food is butter, butter, and butter, and garlic sometimes, especially for the escargot.
Yeah, which you showed me earlier. So it's time now for brunch/lunch. Thank you, merci, au revoir.
Bon appétit.